Max, Mo, quiet. Buttercup. You're kidding. She's in the kitchen chasing after Buttercup. I don't think Buttercup sees her. Buttercup's in the trash or looking around.
Buttercup, get out of the trash. Buttercup.
Come on, Buttercup.
Buttercup, come on.
Let's go.
Come on, Buttercup. Buttercup, come on.
She's just sitting there. Put it over the counter and see what she's doing.
Buttercup, get down. Hey, get down.
That's the cat after you.
I know, the cat's gonna come after you. Come on, Buttercup, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Buttercup, come on. Buttercup. Come on, Buttercup, come on, let's go.
She's trying to jump over the counter to get to you. She's going to jump over the bar then get near the cat.
Buttercup, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, Buttercup, let's go. Come on. Yeah.
Try and watch. Buttercup's scared of the cat.
Buttercup, the cat's smaller than you.
Why do you have this glue? I mean, the bear was pink.